Hey, Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. What I've got today is a 1986 Palco Gold Line. I acquired this for 20 bucks off Craigslist. The man was actually selling it as just as the cage because he wasn't sure if the fan worked or not. Yeah, it's this is, you can tell it's the Palco Gold Line because it doesn't have the point at the bottom. It actually has this little flat, has the flat circle. So I actually prefer the pointy gold lines myself, but those are very rare in 36-inch configuration. You can tell it has the plunger canopy, there's the original tag. And there's also the Banvil tag on the side. Now, I really had no idea how this was going to run. That's why I wanted to set it up at a good distance from me. Basically, this fan, when I got it, it was out back. It was kind of a rural farm property, and out back in sort of an open open shed, and you know, so it was exposed to the elements. I really didn't know what to expect when I brought it home. So I just kind of rigged it up to this power strip here, so wanted to be a good distance away. So here we go. Well, folks, want to thank you for checking out this video. As you can tell, it's not the fastest of spin downs. I'm sure there's some gunk in the motor. Probably gonna have to WD-40 it, maybe give it some oil. But anyway, yeah, thanks a lot for watching this. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. Check out my YouTube page called The Fan Cave, my Facebook page of the same name, and if If you could like the video, I would greatly appreciate it. And subscribe to my page, I would appreciate that as well. Alright, thanks a lot folks. Good night and good luck.